Unlike normal AI chat tools, Perplexity AI gives you answers with real sources. That means white heavy checkmark better research, white heavy checkmark fact check content, white heavy checkmark links to verify information, white heavy checkmark perfect for students, creators, and business owners. As someone building AI tutorials consistently, this tool will position you as a credible AI educator, not just a content creator. Brain, what is Perplexity AI? Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search engine that searches the web in real time, summarizes information, shows sources, helps with deep research. Think of it as Google plus ChatGPT combined fire. Hammer and wrench. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Go to backhand index pointing right https://www.perplexity.ai. No sign-up required to start. Step 2. Type a smart prompt. Instead of typing, tell me about AI. Type. Latest AI tools creators are using in 2026 with examples and sources. You'll get structured answer, citations, clickable references. Step 3. Use it for content creation. Example for your AI page. Prompt. Create a YouTube script explaining how Nigerian entrepreneurs can use AI tools in logistics business. It gives structured breakdown, research-backed points, organized ideas you can refine with. Make it beginner-friendly. Add practical examples. Turn this into Instagram carousel post. Money bag, how to monetize this skill. Since you're building AI plus business content, here's how to turn this into income. 1. Offer research services. 2. Create AI-powered business strategy PDFs. 3. Build newsletter summaries. 4. Sell niche research packs, AI, logistics, tech updates.